Hey guys, today we're going to learn about the Linux Htop command. The Htop command, some say it's better than top. I think it's more simple and straightforward. It is newer and it may or may not be installed on all systems. It's worth installing if you want it. But Htop. Now Htop gives you this nice visual representation and you can kind of configure top to do similar things. But in any case, it will show you all the cores on your system and their usefulness. So I have an 8-core system. This is how my cores are being used. Shows you a bunch of stuff like uptime, load average, that kind of stuff, memory, swap. And it shows you a similar thing. Gives you columns and it shows you all the different processes running on the system. Now this would probably be a little bit better if we were zoomed out a little bit, but I think this is actually okay. We see everything on the screen right now. So a few commands to learn. Obviously Q to quit. So that's pretty obvious. Now you can use the arrow keys to navigate like this. Left, up, down, left, right. Now you can tag things with the space bar. So for example, if you find a process, and let's say if you want to kill, you can type space, and let's say if you want to kill a process. So you can space to tag that, and you can type K to kill the process, and this will allow you to send signals. Now remember, 9 is sig kill, that was basically force kills it, and 15 is sig term, that was the default of the kill command. And you can basically select what you want to send, like a regular kill, or force kill, or a regular kill, or whatever signal you want to send to it. Now I don't want to actually do that, so I'm going to hit escape, but if you select one and hit enter, you can kill the process like that, so that's pretty handy. So the other thing you could do is you can press F6 and this lets you choose what you want to sort by. So for example, maybe you want to sort by percent memory. Hit enter to sort by memory, and you see the little triangle here shows that we are sorting by memory. And you can type I to reverse the sort order. Oops, get out of there. Capital I or Shift I to change the sort order, to invert the sort order. Notice smaller memory use at the top. Hit it again and it swaps to this. So that's everything I want to show you for the Htop command. But yeah. So hopefully you found this useful, if not just interesting. Give me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you know something I don't know, or any comments, questions, criticisms, anything you want to say. I want to hear it, but also definitely hit the subscribe button because we have a lot of other great tech content you just don't want to miss out on. So definitely hit the subscribe button. We do like coding, Linux, servers, hardware, software, electronics, networking, all sorts of great stuff, robots. Don't miss out on that. Definitely hit the subscribe button and also hit the little bell icon. Otherwise, YouTube won't give you notifications when new videos get posted. And also check out the list of videos we've already published. We have a ton of great content out there already, so definitely check that out. And that's about it for today. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on that next video.